crunch, crunch. Human, don't you know how to greet a new pal? Turn around and shake my hand.
The good old whoopee cushion in the hand trick. It's always funny. Anyways, you're a human, right? That's hilarious. I'm saying, sans the skeleton. I'm actually supposed to be on watch for humans right now. But, I don't really care about capturing anyone. Now my brother Papyrus. He's a human hunting Fantanic. Hey, actually, I think that's him over there. I have an idea. Go through this gate thingy. Yeah, go right through it. My bro made the bars too wide to stop anyone. Quick, behind that conveniently shaped...
What's up, bro? What's that, my brother?